Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to x minus 4. Because we still have x, so I need to put negative number 4 go to the left, and we have u plus 4 equals to x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1. First derivative of number 4, this is about the constant, so you got about 0. So we have du. This one we have dx. So we change this one into u. x we change by u plus 4. dx we change by du. 4 plus 3 is about 7. U divided by u square, we got about 1 over u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have negative number 7 over u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.